Hello friends, today is Transfer Tuesday. It means that we're going to update my student loan and see how far we are. So thanks for watching me today. Super excited to see how the numbers are going. So keep watching. Hi, hello. My name is Josy. If you are new here, thank you for being part of my friends. On this channel, I talk about savings challenges. I talk about cash staffing. I do a lot of cash staffing. Student loan. Student loan is our last debt apart from our mortgage, and that's what we are tackling on right now. And I also do a lot about little things about budgeting. So if it's something that you like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today is Tuesday, Transfer Tuesday. On Transfer Tuesday, the only thing I do is to pay off my student loan. So every Tuesday morning, I wake up ready to go. I pray. I do my quiet time. I take a walk. Then when I do all that, I will sit behind my computer and I'll pay off student loan. My goal is to pay the minimum amount I pay every month. Then also every week I pay $100 or more, depending on how much money that I got at that time. But my goal is to pay about $1,000 every month, and that's how I've spread it out. So today, let's go ahead and dive into the video. Last week, I couldn't update this tracker. We hit 42%. So we're supposed to shade up to 42 boxes, which today I will update that. Then I think I will zoom in so that you guys can see what is going on. 2022, for the sake of those who are new, 2022, I started with $93,609.63. In 2023, I started with $74,000. In 2024, it was $57,421.10. And up to now, we pay up to $54,000 around there. So it means that from the beginning of the year up to this time, I've only paid kind of $3,000, which is kind of a little. For me, it is a little. If I'm trying to pay about $1,000 every month, it's too small for me. I have to speed up the game a little bit so that I'll be able to pay the amount. If I'm paying $1,000 every month with my minimum payment, it means I'm supposed to be paying about $6,000 on it. But stuff happen, things happen, and it doesn't go as you plan. But I'm hoping to pull a lot of money towards the loan this time. I can't wait. I keep on telling myself that. But hopefully, we will hit the goal. So today, as I pay my student loan, I'm starting with a balance of, when I check on my dashboard, it went to $44,263.08. So I ended up last week with $54,200. So the interest acquired was 63 cents on it. Okay, so now let's do the payment. So the payment every week, I put $20. I look at my account to see if I can pay more. Then I'll do that. So today payment is coming from everywhere. So we are putting towards exactly 263.08. So I put the money everywhere. I'm like, I have to pay this amount off, so that I'll be at exactly 54,000. So the balance now, as of today, is 54,000. So that's the amount left as for today. So when we do our debt, let me do this. This is a erasable one, so that's cool. Percentage to that free. It means that, let me do the math with my calculator. I'm still missing one of these. I asked the kids, nobody said they have it. So that's so funny, but that's okay. So we're gonna do 54,000 divided by 93609.63 times 100 minus 100. Let's see. Okay, so we are at 42.3%. So we are still at 42, which is cool. So let's go ahead and shade the tracker. This is how the tracker look like. So this is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So 42, I'll shade one more. Okay. So we are, don't give up. We are getting there. So almost here. I can't wait. So this is how far we are with the student loan. Before I wrap up everything, let me give you today's motivational message. It says that big things often have a small beginning. That's true. Everybody begins small and they become big. Everything that you begin, you just don't begin big. I haven't seen anybody here who begins so big to the extent that I don't think. So you have to begin small. You have to begin somewhere. So small, then you reach the bigger goal. Yeah, so big things often have a small beginning. That's so true. So that's what I'm leaving with you today. When are you going to start that small thing that will lead to the big thing? So that's the motivational message for today. So we end up this week with 54,000. So thanks for joining me. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you. I will see you guys in my tomorrow's video. Go and be grateful. Bye.